And next that is RNA. Next about RNA. So RNA, that is different type. RNA is less stable. Why we call DNA as a genetic material? DNA is more suitable because in the DNA the mutation rate is very slow, high stability, low reactivity. But in the RNA they are having a high mutation rate, more reactive and less stability because it acts as a catalytic role, and that is ribozyme activity. That's why RNA is not a suitable genetic material. So RNA, there is different types of RNA. Mostly that most preferred main RNA, that is mRNA, rRNA, tRNA, mRNA. These all the RNA play important role in the process of translation. So that mRNA, that is called messenger RNA. What is called messenger? This mRNA form the process of transcription and having triplet codon. But they have triplet codon. It serves as the substrate for the binding of ribosome and carry the message in the form of triplet codon, that is messenger RNA. So generally RNA is two types, polycystonic and monocystonic. What is polycystonic? Polycystonic present in the prokaryote. Single mRNA carry the information of many genes and synthesize different types of protein, like in the case of lycopran. And in monocystonic, the single mRNA carry the only one gene information and making one type of protein, that is called monocystonic. Okay, that is mRNA. Next, that is ribosomal RNA. This is most abundant RNA, most stable RNA, and that is also play a role in the translation factory of protein synthesis. So they having two subunit, large subunit and small subunit. In the prokaryote, that is 70S RNA and 80S RNA. The further having unit, small, that is 30 and 50, and 80, that is 60 and 40, small and large. S stand for Sedberg unit. Next one, that is tRNA. It's called transfer RNA, also called adapter. This tRNA play an important role to carry the information of amino acid. 20 amino acids bind to 20 different tRNA molecules. Amino acid plus tRNA, that is called charged tRNA. So that having amino acyl arm, they are anticodon arm, DHU arm, T5C arm, pseudouridine and dehydrouridine arm. So in anticodon arm bind complementary to the codon of mRNA and form a one amino acid. Likewise 20 tRNA comes and bind to complementary to the codon of mRNA and making a chain of 20 amino acids. That is tRNA, and their structure is floor leaf-like and inverted L shape. Important. Other RNA like hnRNA, that is called heterogeneous nuclear RNA. Heterogeneous nuclear RNA. It's as a precursor for mRNA and coded by the RNA polymerase second. So hnRNA act as a precursor of mRNA. This hnRNA having the intron, this undergo for the post-transcriptional modification like poly A 10, 5' cap splicing. Then it make the mature mRNA. This mature mRNA transport to the cytoplasm and play role in the synthesis of then protein. Clear? Next, that is snRNA. That is small nuclear RNA. Small nuclear. It play a role in the process of splicing because it make the snRNP, small nuclear ribonuclear protein, that play a role in the process of splicing. What is splicing? The process of removal of introns. What is exon and intron? That is present in the eukaryotic DNA and only exon present in the prokaryotic DNA. 2% portion of the genome in eukaryote have only that play a role in the process of transcription and transcriptively active and making the protein, and rest of the portion that making repetitive DNA sequences, transposons, and satellite DNA. But in the prokaryote, no introns is there, only exon is there. So splicing takes place in the eukaryote. Next, that is snRNA, small nuclear RNA that play a role in the chemical modification. And that is next, that is RNAi, RNA interference that play a role in the process of silencing. In the biotechnology, that this method you can use to develop a pest resistant crop by silent a particular mRNA in the cell that it cannot able to making the protein in the cell and it cannot express. So that is called RNAi method and gene silencing method. It further having two RNA, miRNA and siRNA, microRNA and small interference RNA. So that is all about RNA. Okay. So RNA and DNA, you can easily know the differences and their role. Thank you.